So this is the garden this morning. What's in shade? It's still got a frost. What's in sun has melted. So my task for today is my spring bulbs. I haven't planted them and I'm hoping they're not all ruined in the bags. They better not be all mouldy. So let's see how much I get done. Well, I'm out here in the back garden this morning and yeah, more animal messing around with my beds. I have to protect them more. I already gave up on those broad beans that are in there. Hopefully what's under these hard plastic things should survive. But my garlic that was in here, it does look like something's been digging around there. It's kind of coming up, but you can see little areas where it's been digging. Most of these have come up. Along here, it's a little bit of digging there, and a little bit there. Over here, it's been digging there, little bit in there, little bit in there. Looks like a bit at the side there. I think they're going out through here. Yeah, you can see how it's pulled back. So I'll have to peg that wire down. And if we come back over this side, you can see that is quite a big hole coming through from next door. So I'm gonna have to put some metal rods in as well as some bricks, hardcore, because they can't get in along here. So yeah, something stronger needed for that. These bulbs, they're not ruined, they're not squidgy and mouldy, but some of them have started to spray because they were inside in the warmth, which is not good for them. So I'm gonna I got lots of spare pots. I'm gonna put them in pots for now. And then I can bring out what colour pots are ready when they're ready and keep swapping them. So where do I start? I got 33 packets to plant. A few of them I bought full price, but most of them were half price. It's going to look beautiful in the spring. So I was just inside trying to work out how to label up these pots, because I can't find any plant labels. I couldn't find a black permanent marker, but then I had a good idea. If I use my Tipp-Ex pen to write onto the pots, hopefully that should do it. So we'll see if it works once I've filled up the first pot. Well, that's the first thing I planted. And I put them in there, and look, the Tipp-Ex pen, that's nice and clear. So these muscari, which are that kind of flower, and quite a few of them are already like this, which means they're setting smaller, I guess you call it seeds, little bulbs. So it means I will get more than the 15 plants. I might be able to divide it next year. It's a lot later, a lot darker, and I'm freezing. Let me show you how we've done it. So not counting these big pots at the back, all of these, not those soil ones, all these little ones have all got bulbs in. So yeah, my hands are freezing. But I'm glad they're potted up now. Now I just got to protect them from the wildlife. So I'm hoping that this will protect it from the wildlife over the next few days. We'll have to see whether the pots survive, because I don't want wildlife digging it up yet.